If you own a home in Illinois, you've probably wondered, can I deduct my property taxes? And the answer is maybe. It depends on a few key factors, and today I'm going to break it down for you. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, a full-time real estate agent at Happel in Quincy, and I help homeowners all over Adams County understand the ins and outs of buying, selling, and yes, how taxes can impact your bottom line. Let's dive into what you really need to know about deducting property taxes in Illinois. First, yes, property taxes are potentially deductible on your federal income taxes, but the key word here is federal. The state of Illinois does not offer a direct property tax deduction on your state income tax. Instead, the benefit typically comes at the federal level through what's called the state and local tax deduction, or SALT deduction. Here's how it works. If you itemize your deductions instead of taking the standard deduction, you may be able to deduct certain taxes you paid throughout the year, including property taxes, state income taxes, and even local sales taxes in some cases. But, and this is a big one, there's a cap. Since the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act passed in 2017, the maximum amount you can deduct for all state and local taxes combined is $10,000 per year. That includes property taxes and state income taxes. So if you're a higher income earner or you live in a high tax area, you might hit that limit quickly. So yes, property taxes in Adams County can be deductible, but only if you itemize your deductions. Your total SALT deductions are under $10,000. You're not already maxed out from other state or local taxes. Here's another catch. If you're married and filing separately, that cap is cut in half, just $5,000. That's a pretty tight window, especially if your income tax alone takes up most of that space. Now, if you take the standard deduction instead of itemizing, and most people do, you won't get to deduct your property taxes at all. So whether or not you see a benefit depends on your overall tax situation. And while I'm not a tax advisor, I always tell my clients to bring their full property tax record, including both installments, when they meet with their CPA or tax preparer. It's easy to miss one payment on the paperwork, especially when the county sends the bill in two parts. So here's the bottom line. Yes, property taxes in Illinois may be deductible on your federal tax return, but only if you meet certain conditions, and they are not deductible on your Illinois state income tax return. If you're not sure whether you're getting all the tax benefits you should be, or you're budgeting for a new home and want to factor in real-world costs, reach out. I'm Jackie Weisenburger with Happel in Quincy, and I'm here to help Adams County homeowners understand how real estate fits into the big picture. And remember, always talk to a licensed tax professional for personal advice. But if you need help reviewing your tax bill, exemptions, or planning your next move, that's where I come in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward tips on real estate, taxes, and home ownership here in Illinois.